After a decade of work in education and entrepreneurial-driven economic development, Tom Root decided to work with communities throughout the world, helping them benefit from the democratization of entrepreneurship. Joining me now is the CEO of the Entrepreneurial Learning Initiative, Tom Root. Tom, thanks for joining us. Before we get to what brings you to Erie, can you first explain what's meant by the phrase democratizing entrepreneurship?
Well, Sean, thanks for the question. It might seem a little bit strange to put such a big phrase like democratizing in front of entrepreneurship, but the simple fact of the matter is access to an entrepreneurial ecosystem is not something that's as prevalent in the country as you think it should be. So we choose that word very specifically and intentionally to give it the correct amount of heft and importance in really focusing people's attention on making it accessible to everyone.
All right, since the majority of new jobs created in this country come from small business, we've heard that over and over again, how important is it that entrepreneurs get access to the kind of, the education, the mentoring, and the money that they need to be successful?
Well, it's incredibly important, Sean. I mean, the fact of the matter is all net new job growth in this country will come from businesses that are 5 years old or younger. So when you think about that, and what that means to the economy, it's the lifeblood that regenerates the economy. It's the thing that gives birth to the next company that's going to be, employing thousands of people 20 years from now. But we have to keep that that on-ramp of companies coming. And that's why it's so important to focus on that access to capital, talent, and other things in the ecosystem that will help and encourage new companies to start and thrive.
All right, at the beginning of all of this, Tom, we talked about how you've been all over the globe helping communities with this issue. Is there a difference here in the U.S. with respect to how startups and entrepreneurs get help compared with other countries?
Sure. There's that's another great question, and there's a, good news, bad news answer to that question. The good news first is the fact that here in the U.S. there really are more resources available. For one thing, you have, it's almost a uniquely American thing, is this notion of foundations and nonprofit organizations that can exist to help companies get started, to help entrepreneurs seeking assistance, access to capital, access to networks of people. We really do, we lead the world in that capacity. Now, the not so happy part of that question is the fact that in all my travels, literally from Dhaka, Bangladesh, to Brazil, to Colombia, the appetite for entrepreneurship around the world is becoming insatiable. And the rest of the world is kind of waking up to this, uniquely American style of entrepreneurship, and they're desperately hungry for it. So, we see at times in some of our travels and where we take our programs, for example, we see much higher energy and much easier commitment to entrepreneurship education, for example, in other parts of the world than we do right here in the good old US of A.